is the best.
Yeah, math is important.
My name's Jagelman. I'm the UK Education Manager for Mathnasium. Before working for Mathnasium, I was a primary school teacher for 10 years, working in various different schools. With a class of 30 children, you try and meet each and every child's needs individually, but that's a huge challenge. We're able to meet them exactly where they're at and move them on from that point.
Actually, we've noticed in the lockdown period that she might be struggling. She had like some struggles in math, so we've decided to put her in Mathnasium to make it more fun for her, and yeah, because it's a fun thing, math. I don't want her to be afraid of it, and no. So I think she is much more improved, and she's more confident in math now, and all the teachers are happy from her in school.
So a lot of children that come to us are coming because they need some help. That could be because maths is frustrating. It could be that parents know that they're struggling or that they're behind. Equally, we also have some children who come because they enjoy maths or come because they're getting a little bit bored with maths and their parents want them to not lose that enthusiasm for a subject that's so key. So when a child first comes to Mathnasium, we're going to talk to their parents, find out about what year group they're in at school, how maths is going, and then we're going to work through our assessment process to pinpoint exactly where we need to go back to find the gaps that we need to fill in order for them to move on and make progress.
The young children we teach here are so good because you're teaching them the fundamentals, you're starting from the beginning. So the emphasis isn't always on getting it right. It's just knowing how to approach that question, and you can just see that they're happy to be there, happy to learn. It's great, yeah.
So I needed help when I started coming, and now I still need a bit of help, but I'm a lot better.
One of the things that we check with the vast majority of primary school children that start with us is what we call numerical fluency, and that's having confidence and efficient methods to deal with addition and subtraction facts. And something that we typically see a lot is that children are reliant on counting on their fingers to do quite straightforward addition and takeaway questions. And as they're working through primary school and they're beginning to need to use those skills within other contexts, whether it's more complex computation or within a problem solving, if they're still struggling to work those answers out without using a resource like their fingers, they struggle to make those leaps and move on in those more complicated topics.
And what I always try and do is just sort of big them up to be like, you can do this, you are capable of this, you're not at the bottom of the pile, you can be something really positive. And when you see that shift in their confidence and in their own image of themselves, it's that for me is probably one of the most special things.
They're very kind. If you're stuck, they'll definitely help you. They won't tell you the answer, but they'll talk you through it. And if you still don't understand it, they'll keep on going until you find the answer.